Hey guys, I'm Shivangi and I recently bought this Cello Medico small first aid box from Amazon. This is a very useful box that will help you keep all your medical needs organized in one place. This is BPA free and has food grade plastic for safe storage of medicines. It has a see through lid to save time and quickly identify the medicines inside the box. It is made up of unbreakable plastic with an easy to use latch, making it long lasting. It can be used for multiple purposes, like using it as an emergency medical kit or using it as a medicine supply box too. It is very handy product and you can easily get it on my Amazon store. So make sure to check this out on my store.